So the saga of inflation versus interest rates continues over the next 2 weeks, but that might be the end of it. What up, guys? It's Cam Vandersloot here, and yes, again, I want to talk about inflation, and I want to talk about interest rates. Maybe, but probably not for the last time in 2023. So the next 2 weeks are going to be very interesting as far as inflation and then interest rates go. The timeline, 7 days from today, next week on Wednesday, we've got a update on the inflation numbers for December across Canada. So that's big. Even bigger, next week after that, following in 2 weeks from today, we've got another rate announcement from the Bank of Canada. Most people are predicting that we're going to have another 25-point increase to the overnight lending rate from the Bank of Canada, but that is highly dependent on what we hear next week. So this is an interesting rate announcement because just a week before, we're going to get an update on the inflation numbers for all of Canada, which is good. I'm hoping that we're going to see a slight downtick in the inflation rate for Canada in December, the month that just passed, okay? We went from 6.9 in September to 6.8 in October and sat at 6.8 for November. Anything closer to 6.5 for the month of December would be absolutely massive. Now, if we see a flat rate or it goes up a little bit, yeah, we're definitely going to see at least a quarter point bump in the overnight lending rate the following week, which would kind of suck. And I think it would really change their tune from their last rate announcement, which was maybe this is the end. Maybe. So keep an eye out next week for those of you that are interested in what's going on with our economy and the inflation, because it will directly inform what's going to come the week afterwards when we talk about the rate increase from the Bank of Canada. Send me a DM. If anybody gets the exact rate of inflation correct for next week's announcement, $5 Tim's card on me, and then we'll run another contest for the week after to see if the Bank of Canada does increase rates again. So check me out next week for our winner, if there is one, and to talk about the interest rate coming up. Cheers.